U.S. power grid faces the challenge of meeting rising demand at a magnitude that hasn't been seen for decades. In the next few years, U.S. data centers could consume electricity that's comparable to millions of homes.
Our answer is advanced nuclear fuel. What we are working towards is deployment of uranium enrichment capability at scale. That's the challenge we're focused on here in Piketon, Ohio. Inside the centrifuges and enrichment, gas spins at a very high rate of speed, and then we get a product for HALEU, or high-assay low-enriched uranium, that'll be utilized for advanced small modular reactors.
Compared to traditional nuclear reactors, SMRs are expected to be smaller, faster to build, and more cost-efficient, while still generating enough electricity to run fleets of data centers, factories, or communities.
We're the only facility that is producing HALEU right now in the Western world. We can fill both buildings with over 11,000 centrifuges. That production capability can provide enough power for over 16 million Americans.
Here in the U.S., electricity demand could increase 50% by 2040. Meeting this demand will require a range of solutions, from nuclear power alongside wind, solar, batteries, and natural gas.
America invented uranium enrichment decades ago. It's critical to have that domestic source so that we don't depend on foreign imports coming into the United States.